This literature kit on the witches by Roald Dahl includes vocabulary and comprehension questions that cater to different learning styles. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Describe the boy's greatest goal. Predict whether the boy will be able to escape the witch's grasp. Design several ideas to sneak into the Grand High Witch's room and list the pros and cons for each plan. Pretend to be Bruno after being turned into a mouse and explain how it feels to meet your parents. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as imagining yourself interviewing the Grand High Witch. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Compare characters from the novel to highlight their similarities and differences. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.